Do you think an implementation of the Snap Pixel events tracking in Odoo is a challenge? It could be, but let us show how you can integrate Snap Pixel in your Odoo e-commerce in a few minutes. So let's start by acquiring a Snap Pixel ID. Navigate to the Business menu and then to the Events Manager. To add a new pixel, click on New Event Source. Now select the web type for your source, and in the next window, choose the Snap Pixel option. The next step is selecting one of your existing pixels or creating a new one. Let's create a new Snap Pixel. After your Snap Pixel is created, enter your website URL for checking, or just skip this process. You should select the Manual Setup option and configure the tracking events in the following step. We recommend activating the Login, Search, and List View events alongside those selected by default in the Awareness section. In the Consideration section, you can additionally pick the Add to Wish List. And in the last conversion group, the events Start Checkout and Add Billing can be activated as well. All these events are tracked in Odoo by our solution. Now we should specify event and customer parameters. They are mostly similar for all events. The item IDs, number items, item category, and description event parameters can be sent from Odoo, so we select them. Relative to user parameters, you can activate all of them except of the age, because this parameter is not available in partner fields in Odoo. The rest of the events should be configured in the same way. For the search event, additionally, activate the search string parameter. Click on the Next, and on the final step, you can check the whole list of selected events. And activate the Automated Matching option to allow receiving of your customer information by Snapchat. The pixel configuration is finished. Now copy the pixel ID to specify it on Odoo side. Let's start by going to the apps and ensuring that the Snapchat Pixel Events Tracking app is already installed. Firstly, go to Website, Configuration, Settings, and activate the tracking option. You can also activate the debug logging if you want to see tracking logs in the browser console. The next step is adding a tracking service. Move to the Configuration, Tracking, Services menu and add a new instance. Specify the Snapchat pixel type and paste the pixel ID to the key field. We recommend activating the internal logs that allow you to get tracking information in Odoo. Let's continue with the Customer Matching settings on the Advanced Matching tab. Customer parameters that could be sent to Snapchat are the following: external ID, customer name, email, phone, geo, and address data. Testing. Now, let's see how Snap Pixel tracking works. To do this, either log out of the system, use another browser, or switch to incognito mode. This step is necessary because the tracking scripts are deactivated when you're logged in. Once you've done that, navigate to the shop page. We use the Snap Pixel Helper browser extension to check how events are tracked. There are two events were tracked on this page: the page view, the common event for all pages, and the list view, which indicates that a customer has looked at your product list. This event includes product detail parameters. Let's test one more event, the Add to Cart. The Snap Pixel helper has captured it as well. Now we open one of the products and take a look at what events can be tracked here. The first is View Content. The next one is Add to Wishlist. Saying about the wish list, let's note that events on this page are tracked as well. Currently, we have come to the checkout process. Let's show its events tracking. The Start Checkout event is captured when a customer clicks on the Checkout button. After clicking on the Pay, the Add Billing event is sent to Snapchat. And the Purchase event completes the checkout process. Multi-pixels and internal logs. Using the Odoo Snap Pixel Event solution, you can add several Snap Pixels to your website. An additional feature is the internal logs allows you to see and analyze activity on your Odoo website. Tracking results. Events that have been tracked on Odoo website are sent to your Snapchat business account. To view your Pixel events data, open the Events Manager, where you can get all details about tracked events. Events contain as the customer's parameters, as well as the product and order parameters. With the Odoo Snap Pixel Events Tracking solution, you'll be able to integrate your Odoo website quickly and without development. The solution that supports multiply pixel adding, the automated matching, and internal tracking logs can cover your business needs. Thank you for watching. Contact us if you have any questions.